Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove end-to-end encryption in Instagram and if there is a way on how to do that or is there any option for that. So in order for you to see that conversation or encrypted conversation, you just have to go to Instagram Messenger and this is what it looks like. Now, how are we going to remove this? Actually, there is no option for that. Even if you go to settings and activity, you cannot see that option that says turn off this end-to-end encryption or remove this end-to-end encryption in Instagram. However, there are ways on how to avoid this or skip this. So what you're going to do here is you can just simply delete the conversation, but somehow it will delete all or the entire conversation. You can also tap if you can see a secret conversation here in Instagram, then that would be good for you. You can create a new one. Or you can download or install the old version of Instagram. There, this end-to-end encryption is not yet available because this one is for updated version of Instagram. Now, in order for you to simply avoid this, because we cannot remove this end-to-end encryption again unless you install the old version of Instagram, is to create a group chat so that you can create a new conversation without this end-to-end encryption. So what you're going to do here is you have to add at least two-person, but you have to remove the one or this other person that you don't need to have a conversation to. So I want to remove Ashanti because I just want to have a conversation with Ali. As you can see here, I have this group chat. Here, if I'm going to type anything or message the person, I cannot see that end-to-end encryption. So this is just one of the ways in how to remove or get rid with this encryption here in Instagram. However, there is no option or feature that you can remove this. This is not to mislead you, but this is just to show you that there is no option for that. Rather, there are ways on how to get rid with end-to-end encryption here on Instagram. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.